Good day everyone. This is the demonstration of our Excite Android app. As you install the mobile app, you will see the three buttons below which are Predict, History, and About. In the Predict button, you can see that you can choose if you want to upload images from your gallery or capture the image from your camera. So let's try to choose from our gallery. And as you click the Predict Fertility button, the result will be displayed as well as the score and the result of the classifications. You can also see the history of your prediction by clicking the History button. It also has buttons for setting the dates of the prediction history. You can also delete the records by clicking the trash bin icon. If you click the About button, you will see the candling setup that can be used with the Android app. It also displays a short description about the app, how to use it, and tips for the better results.